This week, PayPal announced it would allow users to pay in Bitcoin to over 29 million merchants on their platform when checking out online. But just how user-friendly will it be? Joining me now to walk through the process is CoinDesk Learn editor Ollie Leach in England. Welcome, Ollie.
Thank you, Christine.
All right, so Ollie, can you tell us about PayPal's new crypto service and who will it be available to?
Yeah, sure. So after 7 years, PayPal has finally launched its integrated crypto service. So this now allows customers to buy, sell, and store four supported cryptocurrencies at the moment. Those are Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Ethereum. These assets can also be converted into fiat now. So people can actually use this to pay over 29 million merchants worldwide. At the moment, though, this is only available to US customers, though there is intentions over the next few months to expand this service to UK customers as well.
Interesting. And how does buying cryptocurrency through PayPal differ from buying it from a crypto exchange?
Yeah, so there's a lot of overlaps, but the biggest difference when buying Bitcoin or something like Ethereum, for example, through PayPal is that you cannot send your crypto funds that you purchase through PayPal off the platform. It's a completely in-house system. So this means that if you bought Bitcoin and you wanted it to send it to a family, or you wanted to send it to one of your external wallets, you wouldn't be able to do that. It's a completely closed system.
Mm-hmm. And what are the main benefits and drawbacks to using PayPal's crypto service?
Yeah, sure. So straight off the bat, you're buying crypto through PayPal. It's a trusted, secure platform. You haven't got to worry about exit scams or any other type of fraudulent activity. There's no need to navigate these complicated, unregulated crypto exchanges. PayPal tries to make it as easy as possible for newcomers to purchase cryptocurrencies. And there's high liquidity, so they're doing this through a Paxos affiliate market maker. So that just means that you should always be able to buy the crypto that you want at the price that you see whenever you want to. Obviously, the drawbacks to PayPal, like we just discussed, you cannot withdraw crypto. A lot of people see this as a pain point for the service. It's custodial, which you could argue is an advantage to some degree, but for the most part, if it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. And this is what we're seeing with centralized exchanges. You just don't have access to your private keys. And obviously, when you do, if you choose to use this new feature, the checkout, when you convert your crypto to fiat, that incurs a capital gain tax that people need to be aware of. And this will either be a short or long-term capital gain tax, depending on how long you've had it.
Huh. You know, we've been talking a lot about tax season lately. Thankfully, they have been pushed to May 17th in the United States this year, at least. Will PayPal track all your Bitcoin transactions in a way that you can easily account for them when it comes to tax time?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I can imagine that they'll be partnering at some point, or they'll be doing in-house. There'll be some tax service where you'll be able to download a full report like you can with most crypto exchanges nowadays and have all of that data ready.
Yeah. And I wonder, does it make sense to be buying things with PayPal with your Bitcoin in these times, when the price is appreciating? I wonder if we are seeing, an influx of people who want to spend Bitcoin or just want to, we just looked at a chart where a lot of people want to hold it.
Yeah, this is the main argument with anyone who says, Bitcoin as an electronic payment system or any cryptocurrency as a payment system. Who in their right mind would want to convert Bitcoin into fiat, incur this capital gains tax to purchase something when, like we saw with Bitcoin Pizzagate, with anything like that, if Bitcoin's really going to $5 million, do you really want to convert that into fiat, which is constantly losing value through inflation?
Yep. All right, Ollie, thank you so much for joining us, offering us your perspective on things and an update on PayPal.
Thanks so much for having me.